Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign out from your Dropbox mobile application. Now let us begin. This right here is the application for Dropbox Mobile. Well, right here as you can see, this is the interface. Now let's simply look at how to log out. To log out, what you guys need to do is simply go to the account section. The buttons at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just click on it. And once you're in the account section, what you guys need to do is simply scroll down to the bottom. And right here, you can see a button like this that says sign out. In case you do not find this, there's another way to sign out as well. Just go to setting, the buttons at the top right, it's a gear-like icon. Simply click on it. Then this right here is the Dropbox settings page. Similarly, just scroll down till you see sign out. And guys, this is it. Simply head on the sign out of this Dropbox button right here, and then you will be signed out of your Dropbox account. And guys, that's it. That's how you sign out of Dropbox. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.